Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm excited to walk you through our new web interface, the V3 Web Mail Service Admin Panel, moving completely away from V2 Admin Panel. And we have completely reimagined the experience with a cleaner design, faster navigation, secure. Login security, which has been a very important aspects these days. The modern UI that helps the users accomplish their task much more faster, easier, and beyond just the visual improvements, we are also excited to share that this platform is built on a highly scalable architecture that delivers the performance and fast response times and high availability. Given that the mailbox can be distributed across the servers in this particular design, it's always easier, or rather, the latency is going to be very less. For any experience, for all the mailbox related experiences. Let me just quickly highlight the key improvements and let show you how they make our life better, easier. So, as I mentioned, V3 Admin Panel is a one-stop stop for all the needs related to webmail, starting with the organizations to domains, mailboxes, or any other services that you might want to use for the identities. So we have multiple modes available. The colors can be customized completely on the user preferences. So this is that landing page, the dashboard, which gives the current organization space in a very clean way with the domains, the mailboxes, how many users, that is the logged in users. Do we have a system admin? Do we have other admins? All of that information very visually represented in a cleaner way. So who is the user logged in? You can see here the user logged in is the admin. So the admin is responsible for creating other users and assigning the permissions. What do we mean by assigning the permissions? Assigning the permission, we can always assign the permissions depending on what the logged in user can do, going all the way from creating the domains or just looking at the dashboard for a support personnel, or it can go all the way on to what kind of sessions are being opened. Is there an app session that has been opened? Is it actually authenticated? Do I want to delete that session? And every granular permission can be added for all the users of the admin panel. Because of a lot of permissions that can be added, there is a template option that is given, an excellent feature which helps you create templates for all the permissions set and then selected for the per user need. So you want to create a bulk of 5 users, use one template which has the same permission set. Go ahead and click that permission while you're creating the users in this particular page. And organizations are hierarchical now, with the parent level organization sitting at the top, with child level organization, one or more of them at the same level or even underneath it. Anybody who is at the child level cannot look at the permissions, or rather the information configuration for the parent level. But anybody who is sitting at the parent level, the organization sitting at the parent level, can overlook all of the settings, permissions, configurations related for the organizations underneath it. Departments obviously is a logical grouping required for the employees. Very easier way to visualize the employees under the organization. Identity management, very importantly, for the domains, we have added the DNS verification, which helps us add only the valid domains, because from the backend the TXT record will be added by the customers and gets verified at the DNS level, and only the verified domains will get to continue using our services, and this kind of avoids all the dummy mailbox, sorry, the dummy domains that get added and can be used maliciously in the subsequent times. So yeah, what identities mean? Identities are kind of the placeholders on what active services that the users want to use. It could be one or more of mailbox, chat, and the file services that has been provided. As we discussed earlier, the mailboxes gives us the granular way of controlling who is the mailbox user, what kind of how much of a quota that they need. Do we want to copy that mailbox from somewhere? Do we want to sync the data from the existing mailbox? It could be anything. Yes, you heard it right. We can sync the mailbox data from anywhere, and then just have it on our service here with simple job. IMAP sync, given your username, password, it just copies all the data from the existing service onto our service on just one click. And logs will help us get in every single information on who the user has logged in, what kind of an activity they are doing, what is happening with the mail flow for all the mailboxes that we have enrolled under a particular domain or other domains as well. How many email login attempts have happened over a period of time, for any domain under the organization. This is very good feature. If we just one click, it just gives us all the information that is required. Policies helps us control what kind of policies do we need for a particular mailbox, all the way from general policies, what are the filter policies, the whitelisting, blacklisting, the attachments. Do we need, we don't want certain attachments to enter into our system. We allow only PDF files. We do not allow PNG files. We do not allow EXE files. Everything can be configured under attachment. Whom do we want a set of emails to be forwarded to? Create distribution policies. And if you observe here, every single action has an import button which lets us import things in bulk. Just create a CSV in the required format, upload it, and there you go. You will have all of those policies created just under one click. Yeah, there are a lot of features. Just highlighted the key ones here. For we'll have more detailed videos coming up. Stay tuned. Thank you.